Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. Today I tell you how to create and sell digital products with Canva. Have you ever wanted to make money online while you sleep? Selling digital products is one of the simplest ways to build passive income because you create a product once and sell it over and over again. The best part? You don't need expensive software or design experience. With Canva, you can create professional digital products in minutes and start selling them on your own website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create digital products with Canva, deliver them to customers, and set up a system that generates sales automatically. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a digital product that sells. Before creating anything, you need to know what people are already buying. Some of the most profitable digital products include ebooks and guides, digital planners, journals, Canva templates, social media templates, presentation templates, online course materials, workbooks and worksheets, checklists and productivity tools. These products are popular because they solve specific problems and can be sold repeatedly without additional work. Imagine creating a planner today and still making sales from it months or even years later. That's the power of digital products. Step 2. Create your product in Canva. Now let's build your product. Open Canva and either start with a blank design or use one of Canva's thousands of ready-made templates. To find templates, simply search for keywords such as ebook, planner, workbook, journal, checklist, presentation. Using templates can save hours of design work. Once you've chosen a template, customize it to match your brand. You can change colors, replace fonts, edit layouts, add your own images, insert graphics and icons, add hyperlinks for interactive navigation. This allows you to create a completely unique product even if you started with a template. Important: always review Canva's licensing rules before selling products that include Canva assets to ensure compliance with their terms. Step 3. Export and deliver your product. Once your design is finished, Canva gives you several delivery options. Option 1. PDF download. Perfect for ebooks, guides, journals, planners, checklists. Simply download your file as a PDF and deliver it to customers after purchase. Option 2. Canva template link. This is ideal if you're selling editable templates. Click Share Template Link. Your customers receive a copy of the design while your original remains protected. Option 3. Public View Link. This works well for online courses, presentations, digital guides. Customers can view the content directly online without downloading anything. Just remember that view links can be shared with others, making them less secure than downloads or template links. Step 4. Create a product showcase page. Many creators sell on marketplaces like Etsy, but if you want complete control over pricing, branding, and profits, selling on your own website is often the better option. Create a page on your website that displays all your products. For each product include product image, product title, short description, price, purchase button. Use a clean grid layout so visitors can easily browse your offers. Step 5. Create individual product pages. Each product should have its own page. This page can contain download links, Canva template links, view links, product instructions. Think of it as the delivery page customers access after purchasing. Step 6. Add a paywall and accept payments. To protect your content and collect payments, you can use MemberSpace. MemberSpace allows you to accept payments, create customer accounts, restrict access to content, sell one-time products, offer memberships, create bundles. Simply add your product page URLs into MemberSpace. The platform automatically places a paywall in front of your content. Customers must sign up and pay before gaining access. Step 7. Choose your pricing strategy. One of the biggest advantages of selling on your own website is flexibility. You can sell products individually, charge a one-time payment, create product bundles, offer monthly memberships, give away free products to build an email list, experiment and find the pricing model that works best for your audience. Final thoughts. Creating digital products with Canva is one of the fastest ways to start an online business. You don't need inventory. You don't need shipping. You don't need advanced technical skills. Just create something valuable once and sell it repeatedly. Start with one simple product, publish it, and improve as you go. The sooner you launch, the sooner you can start generating passive income. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, and leave a comment below telling me what digital product you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.